everyone, I am Jayashri. Today I am going to teach you the topic on the unit testing. So first of all you have to learn the software testing, then only you will understand what is unit testing. So to learn the software testing, you have to see the link on my description box. That is the topic of the software testing that I have taught you before of this video. So first of all learn the software testing, then you will understand what is unit testing. So in short I will tell you what is software testing is. Software testing is a procedure to verify whether the actual result are same as the accepted result. Now what is the actual result and accepted result is the actual result means tester who tests the software products that comes the result are that fulfill the user requirement. User requirement is the accepted result that a user has expecting that this result must be come. So user requirement must be fulfilled. That how they fulfill by doing the software testing. By software testings are done by the developers or the testers by the developer team or tester team. In this way the software testing is done. So this user requirement has to fulfill that comes in the software testing. But software testing, how they fulfill the user requirement, by there is a 4 level. Completing that 4 level, then only it can fulfill the user requirement. So our first test level is the unit testing. Okay, that is, and today I am going to teach you about the unit testing. So this is our first level that comes under the software testing. Okay, there are 4 levels I have told you. That the first level is unit testing, second level is the integration testing. Okay, and third one is the system testing. Okay, and then fourth one is the acceptance testing. So you have to first learn this all testing, then only you fulfill the user requirements. Then only testers can fulfill the user requirements. Then only they can get the accepted result. That compared to the actual result and accepted result must come. How they come? Same by completing this all level of testing. So first I am going to teach you about unit testing that comes under the level of the first level of the software testing. So first level of software testing is unit testing. Then it comes to integration testing, then comes to system testing, then comes to acceptance testing. So first, second, third, fourth, this 4 level in this order you have to complete. Then only testings can do. You can't directly jump on acceptance. You have to start from unit testing. Okay. So first you have to learn the unit testing. So to learn unit testing, you must understand what is the basic about this testing. You must first of all know what is the software testing all. So please everyone, please carefully note down that you must do first of all learn the software testing. That is the part of the software engineering subject, the topic that is coming at software testing. So first of all there is a link on the description box. So first of all look that video and then come to this video. So I will teach you today about the unit testing. Okay, so unit testing means what? Okay, now by hearing this headline unit testing, somehow you must have understood what is unit testing. Then also first of all you separate this word. Testing means you must be knowing that testing means tester that tests the software product is the testing. To tester, why they test the software product, so that they can understand whether the software product is working in a proper condition or not, whether it fulfilling the user requirements or not. So that's why the testing is necessary. So that's why the testing we are doing. So you must be known what is testing. Okay, so now it comes to unit. Now what is unit? Okay, now what is unit? Unit is the small test. It's a small unit. It's a small part of the any component, small part of any individual component. So that unit is a testable part of any software product. So example, I will take this real life example is, that is this is the month. These are the months, and this in the software, these are the software products. Okay, in software product there comes in a sub software products. In month there comes in a June, okay, July, December. So these are the software products. So these small software products, how they get tested? This get tested by the unit testing. The unit testing tests this all of the small products. This all of the individual components. So this of the individual components are tested by the unit testing. So that's why I'm telling the unit is the small testable part of any software. So you have software product. So you have to first test this all small testable, small individual component. Then only you can go to the integration testing. Integration testing I will teach you afterwards. First you have to understand unit testing. So I hope you must have understood what is unit testing basic. So this is all about the unit testing is done in the V model. For in V model you must have learned of V model or SDLC model. So this all models you must have learned. So this all models the first they are doing a testing of the unit testing, then there comes to the integration testing. So you must know that unit testing is first of all done. First of all, you must do done unit testing, then you have to do a integration testing. So our first level of testing is the first level, okay, first level of software testing. Software testing. Okay, so first level of software test is the unit testing. Now unit testing, that debugging is easy in unit testing. Unit testing reduce the cost of the unit, by doing a testing, and it also reduce the defect easily, decrease the defect easily, and it's very easy to do unit testing. So first of all you have to we will learn the objectives, then you understand how the unit, what is the unit testing benefits are we getting. So let's learn of the unit testing. So you have to carefully note down this objective that on your note, then you understand what is the purpose, what is the main purpose of this unit testing. Okay, to objective, first one is to isolate a section of a code. To isolate means to identify a section of code. On tester who tests the software product, on the code they test the software product is working or not. So on code they test each of the unit, because unit testing is doing here. So by unit testing they test each of the unit and see whether it properly working or not. So first step is that to isolate, to identify, to check whether, to see whether the section of the code is there or not, is properly written or not. So second one is to verify the correctness of code. So second one is that to verify. So verify means to check whether it's right or not, to correction of the code, correct code is written in proper way or not, is any spelling mistakes are there in a code. So in this way they verify the section correctness of the code. Okay, they do a correctness on that code. So to first is to identify a section of a code, and second is to verify whether it is written in a correct way or not on the code, and third one is to test every function and the procedure. So if it is not written in correct way, then it do a testing. You do a test in every function and the procedure. Okay, on the code it do a testing of the every function, and then so look how the procedure is doing in the proper way or not, the procedure is in a stepwise or not. So we do a testing here. So in this way to test every function and procedure. Fourth one is to fix bug early. To fix bug early. Bug means error. Okay, to fix error early in development cycle and to save cost. Now how they save cost? Because in a unit testing it it fix the bug early. Early it get the error in a correct way. So in this way it can save the cost. Okay, and to help the developer to understand the code base and enable them to make changes quickly. Unit testing help the developer to understand the code, because in unit testing the code is easy. In code you can see the unit testing is done easily, because it helps the unit developer to check it in a easy way and make changes quickly, enable them in a easy way and make them changes quickly. Okay, sixth one is all over the summary is there. The main goal is to identify the each unit of the system, to identify, analyze and fix the defect. Defect means error. Okay, means the main goal is in unit testing is that it isolate, it identify, after that it analyze and it fix that defect. Okay, it monetization also do and it fix also. Okay, in this way it fix the bug, error or defect, you can tell. In this way its software product it fix all the defects. So in this unit testing objective is done. So this was all about the unit testing objective. Now I am going to teach you about the um, the errors that are comes in the unit testing. Now the errors that comes in the software product and that are reduces, that are isolated by the unit testing. What are the errors that are comes in software product that I am going to list that are comes in the unit testings are that the error handlings. These are the list of the errors that are handled by the unit testing. So error can be local error that detected by the unit testing, mapping error or local data structure, boundary condition, independent path, log and exception handling, error handling path. So these are error handlings are there, list of the error handlings. There are many more. I have already wrote 7 error handling parts. That you can write again. If you want, you can write any other error handling, because there are the list of the error handlings that are detected by the unit testing. So I hope everyone must have understood what is unit testing. This is the first level of software testing. So our first level of software unit testing. I hope everyone must have understood the unit testing. Thank you very much.